building a Lego friend set? I think we could safely say that every single day is a good day for building a friend set. This one is the music store and apartment. I mean, literally, that's probably what it is. Like a music store downstairs, an apartment upstairs. Very, very literal, these titles. I will not stop harping on about them. They're so non-creative. Anyway, that's probably... The creative part is for the actual building. So we got 483 pieces. It's $80 here in Australia, $50 in the US. And I was able to get this at, I don't know, one of the retail stores. I actually can't remember now because I bought it a couple of months ago when it was released. But on discount, like not at the RRP price. We have got the most gorgeous set of stickers. Is going to make this so vibrant and make it 100% just come alive. And I think that's Paisley's mum. Like, that's her album. All right, let's build. Let's meet the characters. So we've got Paisley. Paisley is obviously music store. Paisley had to be in here, right? She's wearing an outfit like we see in a lot. This is her fave outfit. Looks comfy, looks nice and cool. It's obviously summer in Heartlake City at the moment. So we've got Paisley. We've also got a new character. This is Elsa D. She is a new character to me. She's only been in 2 sets. She's in the ice cream truck. I haven't built that one yet, but very, very cute. She's got reddish brown skin tone, brand new hair mold, and she's got a new print on the top on her torso. Her hair mold makes her a little bit top heavy, like she tilts backwards. Like she tries to fall over backwards, but if you tilt her forwards, she doesn't fall over backwards. Yeah, I can't stand her up straight. She's going to fall over, but that's fine. She can slouch. You know, that's her mood. And we've also got a corgi. This is Marimba. Oh, look at his little happy face. I love the corgi mold. Okay, right. We've also got Zach. Zach is wearing... Yeah, I think we've seen this outfit in quite a few things. It's kind of like his trademark outfit. Nice. Let's get his face on and his hair on. We know that Zach's here. Cool. We've got 3 characters. We've got our corgi. This is a happy little set. We're going to have so much fun. Look at the corgi's face. Look at Marimba. He's just adorbs. Okay, we have got a little subsidiary build first, and it is a bright red piano with graffiti on the back. This is a street piano. It's 100% a street piano. So it's out on the street for anyone who wanders past to play a little tune on. And then like this virtuoso violinist will just wander past, like this 8-year-old, and like play with them as though they've never rehearsed it. I know, I've seen this on YouTube. It happens all the time. Like, I'm surprised it's not just happening right now. It probably is. Okay, so we've got our street piano. We've got, oh, look at that. That's Paisley's mum. That album is actually up on the wall in Paisley's bedroom. Oh, I don't know about all the other albums and the posters. I feel like they are actually referring to like real life albums, but I don't know what they are. So if you know, let me know in the comments. We've got a lovely door with a microphone handle and some outward facing studs here. We've got a claw on the inside, so we're going to be able to hang some stuff up in the store. Nice. Got a supporting arch internally, and then we've got some nice smooth flooring going on. A very big display window. It is not the most pristine condition. Yeah, straight out of the box, but that's all right. I can still see through it. Okay, and I think this is like kind of I think we're outside here, so we've got a little bit of a side alleyway to the store. Maybe. Okay, and we got some black walling going up there. I feel like that's not an external wall that... I cannot speak today. An external wall because the colors are not all consistent, but we'll find out as we go along. It will all be revealed as we continue building. I feel like I should stop commenting on these things when we're only kind of partially way through. So we got some beautiful big banners with stickers that I preloaded because stickers. Stickers, am I right? And we've got a big crate at the front for some discount stuff. So we got some sheet music and some records, some vinyls, and Zach is going to dig through here and see if he can find some hidden gems. And this is where we are at the end of bag number 1. Bag number 2, we are stocking this store. So we got a saxophone, some headphones hanging over here, and there is a spare set of headphones that we can pop on Paisley because that's kind of part of her uniform. And this poster, no, it's not a poster. So albums? Are they albums or are they posters? I'm not sure. It doesn't matter, they're decorative and I love them. We got a white guitar and we got an electric guitar over on the other wall. And then for furniture, I suppose not furniture. Okay, hold on. So many emotions happening. Okay, so this is a drum kit. I love the colours of this. It's yellow and orange. Well, and the drumsticks are orange, so those little things, I mean, they're the most, those are some serious mallets, so she can go whappity whap. That's technical term of how you play the drums with those mallets. Okay, because they are mallets, like they're not drumsticks, they're not the right shape to be drumsticks. Okay, so we have also got over here a little speakery thing, I think, and a turntable. Nice on, yep, okay, and that's on display right inside the front door, so you're gonna see that as soon as you come in. And then on this display table is, it feels like an old world synthesizer or a mixing desk and a microphone. I should not pretend like I know what acoustic instruments are all about, but when it comes to electronic stuff and mixing music, I'm just like, I have no idea. So I don't know what half of this stuff is. Especially, yeah, when it comes to the actual mixing desks and things, they are just a mystery. Like, oh my goodness, the stairway up to the apartment is a piano keyboard. So we've got black keys and white keys alternating nicely. That's so cool. All right, and then up on the top, got a nice little ladder. Ah, it's a railing when you flip it up like that. And then this is, oh, it's a buildable quaver. That's adorable. So that is part of the, oh my gosh. And here are a couple of little quavers. Oh, those ones are joined together. Look at that. And not only that, but they've got adorable little faces. Walk out their weirdo cheeks. They're loving this. And they've even got feet. So this is so cute. I need to put together all of the buildable mascots for all of the stores in Heartlake City. Like, put them together and they can have a party. They're just so cute. Okay, next bag is the one that Elsa D comes in. She's got a letter. A letter? Yeah, I think that's what's in her hand. She keeps falling over. She's fine if you tip her forwards a little bit, or if you just like seat her on the base plate, put her feet on. Okay, inside we've got like a tab, like the chord chart. I think that's Paisley over there. Or in her alter ego. There's so many fun things up there on the wall. And this is going to be the front bit. Yeah, the front bit. That's its technical term. So nice little smooth pink frontage. So we've got, yeah, so it's an old style building, as you can see at the top. Downstairs has been all like kind of renovated and prettied up, but upstairs is still nice and, yeah, nice and authentic looking. So got that pretty brickwork, some window flowers, flower pot window. What do you call them? I can't think. Yeah, anyway, so there's some lovely flowers there growing outside the window. This is, it's Marimba's little doggy bed, and this actually matches the same thing as the apartments, like the big set of apartments, because it's number 27, but it's got a picture of the inhabitants inside on the mailbox, and this is off to the side. We put that mail in, and it goes straight into the dog bed. Oh, and then I suppose Marimba's going to take it to Elsa because, yeah, he loves delivering the mail because he's a doggo. And they do like doing that and getting their slobber all over stuff. Got our front door with a doggy door, nice green handle, which I'm going to get on straight, and a pretty striped awning over the top, nice and cheerful. And then we just kind of join all that in with our plates along the top, so everything's nice and tied in and safe. And on the inside, now we've got some furniture. So we've got a sink, got some knobs for Marimba, and then we get a stove, and this is very condensed. So we've got a stove, we've got a fridge. In the fridge we've got some eggs and waffles and a soda can, like breakfast foods. That's all you need in your life anyway. Okay, yeah, everything's happening there in that one little piece of equipment. And this is, it looks like a really old school electronic mixing desk kind of thing. I'm just not sure. I know that this is, I mean, that's obviously your editing software. There's 2 tracks there going, but I'm not sure, like the red thing with a little green button, or is it a plant on the top? I'm just not 100% sure because I just don't know what the equipment is supposed to look like. I feel like it's really authentic and it's probably something old school, but I don't know what it is. Okay, we've got a door frame which is going to double as a bit of a support, but also, for the next level, we've also got a ladder to go up. Because this is a full apartment, right? But we've got no room yet for a bed. But we do have room for another quaver. Look at that guy. He's escaped from the other little song down lower. So when we put this up on the next level, we're going to have all of those fabulous black notes making a wonderful tune as you go up the building. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we've got a cassette tape with all of the tape coming out, and that pencil there, its sole purpose is to wind that tape back in. Who has cassettes these days? They are not a very good way to maintain media. They really can't. The tape stretches. It just doesn't, it doesn't hold its quality. But that's very cute. Very, very retro. Okay, got some forward-facing studs here. Look at that little quaver note. He's looking so happy. They're hanging out in amongst the window flower beds. What are they called? Why can I not think? Okay, so we've got a cute little kind of attic-y style bedroom at the top, some tulips growing in their own little flower box outside the window, and some tilted windows here. They tilt backwards. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, and this has bent that little white plate, but that's okay because when it goes on, it's going to hold its shape. We're going to put this lamp in here, and that Elsa's got everything she needs to go up here, have a little snooze, and it is a very, very well contained apartment. You got everything you need in a very small space. There's lighting along the front, and then we put this up on the second level, and it's done. We've got our music shop and apartment. Look at I absolutely love the buildable notes. I love the piano staircase up to the apartment. There's so much so good about this. Oh, look at this. Look at all the things happening inside. And we've got Leanne's, graffiti or artwork on the outside. Oh my gosh, right. I'm going to need to nestle this up with some of our other stores that I think go along the same street in Heartlake City and see how they go. We're really starting to get a bit of a collection, I think, and we could be starting to put a city together. Yeah, I need some space. All right, let me know your thoughts about this set in the comments, and make sure you check back in because there are more builds coming up. But I am running out of Lego Friends sets. Oh my gosh, we're not even near the end of the year. That's okay, I've got so much to do. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.